Hi guys, welcome to the first session, and in this session we're going to learn about how can we structure a web page using HTML. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, do all the things that are necessary to be done. So let's get started. Now in the right hand side tab that you can see, this is the original Google page that was formed in 2008 and it was made using HTML. Now as I said, HTML is a language which is mainly used to structure a particular web page. It is only used to structure a particular web page. Now the Google page that we see today is quite different from the Google page that I'm showing you right now, because today's Google page is more user friendly, looks really good and attractive, and on the contrary this Google page is not at all attractive at all. So how does this transition come? We're going to come to that in my later videos, so keep watching this section. And now we are going to know a little bit more about HTML. Now HTML is hypertext hypertext markup language. The point number 2, the most important point, is the word hypertext means that you can link any kind of document within the web page, and the word markup means the usage of tags into the code. Okay, so as you can see that this is the most important point that I was trying to explain, that the word hypertext means that you can link any kinds of document within your web page using HTML, and the usage of tag. Now here comes the important point, is in HTML we use tags to code. Now what are these tags? Suppose you want to add a paragraph to your website, so you can add a paragraph like this. Now this is the starting of the para tag, and this is the ending of the para tag. Now the tags are categorized as the start tags and end tags. Okay, so tags have two portions. One is the portion where the tags start. This is known as the start tag, and this is known as the end tag. So within the start and the end tag, you can write the desired paragraph that you want to add. Now the fourth most important thing is HTML does not look into designing, designing of the web page. Now HTML only deals in structuring the web page. By structuring I mean that where you want to add a particular image, where do you want to add a particular heading, where do you want to add the paragraph. Now the HTML structures this portion. It does not deal with the coloring of the web page or the design of the web page. Okay, so only using HTML to create a website will not be good to look at. The website will not be really attractive to look at, specifically today in today's world. So first we need to learn really nicely how this HTML works, and then we are going to jump to the later sections, that is CSS and JavaScript, the uses of CSS, JavaScript and HTML to create a website. So that is it for the first session, guys. If you like my video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon and do all the necessary things that needs to be done. Keep learning and share the video.